Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me TipsWithDav. And in today's video, we are going to be looking at a My Legion Secrets monthly report that I post every single month because I want to be transparent with you guys. It is a traffic source or advertising source that I personally love to use within my affiliate marketing journey. And I'm going to be sharing with you what I do, if it's for you or not. Let's hop onto my computer so you can see some more. All right, guys, here I am on my screen. And just to give you guys a little bit of an understanding, first and foremost, all you My Legion Secret members out there, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a monthly report. I hope you have had a good month. I'm super excited to post this video because, as you guys know, I love coming here and sharing my results just because I hope that it inspires you. I hope that it keeps you focused on the skill sets and I'm applying them so you can do the same. It's really up to you for all the members out there. Now, for all the non-members out there, welcome to the channel for the first time. If you're here, I post every single week about affiliate marketing and my journey, basically on skill sets that help me pave the way for my dreams to come true. But at the same time, I also focus on specifically sharing My Legion Secret videos every single week. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, then hit that subscribe button and the bell notification because I obviously appreciate it. And if you guys want to follow along, then I'm sure that you guys will appreciate it as well. Now, what is My Legion Secrets for those of you who are new here? In a nutshell, My Legion Secrets is a platform that gives us 100 to 200 leads every single day. Now, the principle behind it is that it solves two problems, in my opinion. One, it gives you the access to 100 to 200 leads every day, which is saving you a lot of time. That's the first problem that it solves. It saves you a lot of time. And secondly, it is giving you a space to practice your skill set of copywriting with the resource of email marketing. So as you start to use your email marketing skills, your copy skills, your writing skills, then you get better at that. This is personally my journey. You get better at your writing skills and definitely you get better at conversions of those skills. Now, My Legion Secret does not guarantee you any sales. It does not guarantee that you will make money, but what it does guarantee you those 100 to 200 leads every day. I want to make this very clear because, people think that things are a scam or there's a lot of controversy. Is this good leads? Are they bad leads? They are co-registration leads, guys. They are somebody who has signed up for a newsletter on, or related to specifically the wealth niche, specifically the business opportunity niche. So when you're writing to these leads, know that they are co-registration leads and you have to stand out of the crowd. You have to be able to build a relationship with them for them to trust you. Now, are there buyers on this traffic? That is up to your skills as an affiliate marketer to convert those leads into sales. No one can guarantee you more than giving you leads. Guys, most places will guarantee you clicks, okay? So I'm going to share it to an audience and you're going to get 100 clicks, 200 clicks. Even Facebook advertising, even Google advertising, even though they're high quality services, what they do focus on is clicks, but those conversion of those clicks are our marketing skills. Okay, it's not the platform's fault if it doesn't convert. Make sure that you do understand that clearly. Let me go ahead and share with you my strategy now. You know what My Legion Secrets is. Let me go ahead and share with you my strategy. So in my entire strategy, My Legion Secret is the catalyst, let's say, of my entire business. It's able to create that funded proposal for myself. So I basically promote primarily Warrior Plus offers and sometimes ClickBank. You can pretty much use My Legion Secrets for any make money online business opportunity, wealth niche kind of offer. And I send it directly to the sales page of the offer. It's something that not everybody does, but I simply do it because I already have those leads there. I'm not interested in taking those leads out anyway. I'm using that as like an email provider basically and sending out an email every single day. So in order for me to do that, then I obviously would send them straight to an offer. This is how I look at it, and I don't beat around the bush there. So that generates me a sale. And basically from the income that I make, from the cash flow that I make from of selling the offer, of converting that offer, but I have to put in the skills, I utilize to then go to step 2. And this is my entire process. But today we're just going to be talking about my results for step 1. So is it converting? Me, when I send out an email every single day to an offer, does it convert or not? Let's go ahead and share with you. But I'm going to jump into My Legion Secret first. And I'm going to show you my results because I'm also an affiliate for My Legion Secret. So basically I promote it as an offer, the tool as an offer to members itself within those leads that I get. So I get those 100 leads every day. And once a week, I send an email about My Legion Secret as well. So let's go ahead and look at my payments first and foremost for My Legion Secret. Then we're going to go into Warrior Plus specifically because that's the primary network that I use. And then we're going to look at ClickBank, add those numbers together, and see how much I made for the last month just using My Legion Secret. Okay, this is purely step one. All right, guys, so here I am in my back office. We're gonna go to affiliates, we're gonna go to commissions, and here I just zoomed in so that you guys don't see anybody else's credentials. But let's look at the month of July, right? So we are in the month of July. We see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 commissions that I got paid. So this is 3 plus, let me just count the 5 because I don't want to make a confusion here. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. That is what I've earned, right? $30 from just the commissions right there. 30, 34, 37 this month. Okay, so it has gone down for me actually. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 34. Yeah. So there are some people who have dropped off my list. That's absolutely fine. It's not an issue. It happens. People are there. This month, I believe the only new payment that I got here is on the 3rd level. And that's it. No new members on the 1st level. So I maybe will be focusing in the next few weeks on getting more members here in My Legion Secrets. So that's totally of $37 with My Legion Secrets. My Legion Secret, by the way, cost me $30. So having 37 is already kind of, in my opinion, I'm happy with it. $37 is already more than the that I'm spending for this tool itself. Okay, so that's My Legion Secrets. Let's hop on to Warrior Plus itself. And by the way, guys, all these results that you see, these are not typical. These are my results, and you will obviously not be guaranteed the same results. Let me go ahead and go to the last month of July right here, as you guys can see. Let's go click on go. And overall, in the month of July, I have made $460 in commissions. But let's go ahead and just look at My Legion Secret. So from this $460 in commissions, I made 445, guys, all from pretty much almost all my commissions, because this last month has been kind of a transition in what I'm doing with affiliate marketing, because I changed my follow-up sequence, I changed a few things in my funnel. So this step one was kind of the core that was pushing me forward, right? So as you guys can see right here, in the last month, I made $445 actually just from My Legion Secrets. So we will add this amount also to the table right here. So that's a total, okay? And now we will log in. I will go on to ClickBank, guys. All right, guys, here I am on ClickBank. Let me just go to the month of July and we will see how things are. Okay, so in the month of July, let's see how much I made from ClickBank. As you guys can see, I made 4 sales in the last month on ClickBank, which resulted to $65.79. So if we go back to this page right here, we add this amount as well, and the total, let me just see how it is $548. Now, I believe if I go to system.io, which is the last tool that I use. Oh, sorry, guys. This is for my other video. This is just My Legion Secrets. So in My Legion Secrets, all of these sales that I've made basically that come from ClickBank are My Legion Secrets. I don't send anything, other offers or other traffic to ClickBank. So this is a total amount that I've earned. Now it's over $500 for the month minus $30 that I spend on maintaining my Legion Secret account, which basically gives me a total of $518. And guys, this has been consistently happening for myself personally since 2023 when I started this specific strategy. I started in 2023. In fact, let me just go to sales report right here in Warrior Plus, and I'm going to show you just one platform so that you guys can understand the trajectory of things, right? So if I go to January and I put 2023 till August 2024, just for you guys to see. I got started in February or March. Yeah, February. February was the first month that I added there. So March was the first month. So I got $100, then 200, then 300. And as you guys can see now, I'm consistently making $400 to $500 just on Warrior Plus. If I include everything else, it's easily $500 every single month that is coming in from just a side hustle like this. Now, I do have a full-time job. I cannot guarantee, obviously, that it works for everybody, but I am waking up every day using this tool to send out an email, and then I go about living my life. And this is the reason why I'm doing it. Okay, the purpose behind it is not for me to become rich using my Legion secrets. It is to use as a catalyst, because now I have a specific tool that I or specific funds that I can dedicate to actually growing my business on a daily basis. So that's why I personally like my Legion secret. I just wanted to share with you this. If you guys are interested, obviously, in my Legion secret, the link is in the description of this video. If you're interested in getting started in this whole entire strategy that I actually have a €1 course in the description of this video. So make sure you check that out and click on the link. And other than that, guys, let me know, comment below what you guys think. And as far as I can see, it may be by the end of this year, I might want to open a second account with my Legion secrets. In any case, I'm happy with the journey that I'm on. It's positively generating me results, which is the main and most important thing for myself. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here, guys. I hope that you do subscribe, and I'm going to see you on the next video.